Good morning, guys. It's a new day. Today I'm on a mission. I need to fix my rear wheel bearing on this car because it's completely fucked when I bought the car. But I knew that, so I bought parts, and right now we are going to my college into the workshop and fix my wheel bearing. I don't know how good I can film in the workshop, but I try my best, guys, so let's go to the workshop. We are back from the workshop. Car is in great condition now. The bearing was so fucking broken. It took me such a long time to get the broken bearing part out of the car because that shit was just fucked up. But now, still weak as fitment. We need to do the fitment, but first I need to mount different tires on different wheels, but that's a different story. Car is in great mechanically shape right now, so the video is probably too short. That's why I'm doing something else right now too. I ordered a roof ring for this car. The roof ring is pretty cool. I want to install it right now, but we have one problem. This piece of shit which throws water on the windshield with your wiper and you can clean it, I don't need it, and it's like it borders the roof wing to mount it because this is too high. I could disassemble it, but there's a hole in the windshield when I put this thing out, so also I don't want to buy the thing which goes in here when there's a hole inside, because there's the roof wing above it, and I don't really care. I don't need this, so I'm trying to cut this off somehow. I tried to cut it off here, and then I will see if the wing would fit. So this is the wing, and you mount this wing right on top of here. And I must say, it looks way better. Like, look at this. I think it looks so much better with the body line of the car. Like, the wing really does a great job of better looking. It looks like a drift car now. But as you guys see, I can't mount it because this piece of shit is in the way. So now let's try to cut this. So we got the tools now. Just let me put the spoiler away. Set you guys somewhere here, then you can see how I cut this. I have no idea what's underneath when I cut this top piece off, but we will see.
Am I the one for you? You're not by my side. I feel like skipping town. You're not down to ride. Cancel all the plans. Yeah, you make me cry. Drive my Volvo off a mountain, Beetlejuice style. Yeah, I hate life, but that's alright. Miss your fingers down my back in the nighttime. You're so bad for me, but that's alright. I know you're coming back in the morning.
So we cutted it, like that's the part which was probably bothering the spoiler to get on, and yeah, that's how it looks. It's okay, so it's fine. I need to clean it now and maybe shave it down a bit more, and then we can see if the wing fits now. So we finally did it. It looks, yeah, what do you want to say? But it works now. The roof wing will fit. Now it's time to clean the windshield with a lot of cleaning stuff, and after that we can install the wing. So we are finished with cleaning this top part of the windshield, because we really want the surface to be clean. Because how the wing is mounted, it's just like some glue things, and you glue and stick the roof wing onto the roof. And you want this area to be clean, otherwise you are screwed. And yeah, I'm alone. I'm by myself now, so let's try how good this install works with only one person, but should be fine.
Just one for you. Cancel all the plans. Am I the one for you? Cancel all the plans. Am I the one for you? You're not by my side. I feel like skipping town. You're not down to ride. Cancel all the plans. Yeah, you make me cry. Drive my Volvo off a mountain, Beetlejuice style. Yeah, I hate life, but that's alright. Miss your fingers down my back in the nighttime. You're so bad for me, but that's alright. I know you're coming back in the morning when I'm just fine.
So we are done. The roof wing is installed, and I must say it looks so much better. Like, look, this is awesome. Like, it makes the look of the car so much better. Like, look at that. Also from the back it looks so good. Like, it's a really good wing. Like, for 50 bucks, what do you expect? Like, the wing doesn't fit that well, that's why I need to get a little bit of a gap. Also, like you see here, it's not that good aligned as all the way down. The fitment isn't perfect, but 50 bucks, guys. So again, what do you expect for $50? It's not much money. And I must say, I like the style. I hope it stays on. That's why I cleaned it so good. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to do some nice cosmetic shots from the car, and then I would call it a day, and I will see you in the next one. If you like those kind of videos, please subscribe to the channel. It's important. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. And give a like on the video. If you want to see anything with this car on my YouTube channel, let me know, write it down in the comments, and I will do a video about it. So I will catch you in the next one. Peace.